Hey guys, I'm playing Palace Breakout by Occida, and I've been an idiot because the ID was in the freaking description of the video he posted, and yeah. So, yeah. Bunch of stuff. You probably won't expect more posts recently, so yeah. It's probably gonna stay that way. Of lag might be a problem. Yep. Sealed up because the water rose too fast. Yep, let's try that again. Why? I just want to show the end of this map, and I can't because of this lag. Look at this lag. What the heck? I might end up not even doing the whole map because yeah. I forgot to turn the camera into cloud. Oh my gosh, stop zooming my camera in and out. It's annoying. I hate it. I hate the screen recorder. Oh my gosh. No. It's already too late. Okay, I am not showing this whole map because I can't. So there. Actually, why don't I just do it? I'll be right back. Okay, this is the next room. Come on. Oh, look. Now there's another wall, and I have to try that again. Oh my gosh, why is it so complicated? Next room. And oh my gosh, the water's already rising. I hate this so much. And I'm stuck. Great. At least this one doesn't, yeah. And it does turn into lava. And there we go, finally. 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 Oh my gosh. This screen recorder is so annoying. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I had to say that it was planned. He did say it was a step down, but I do think it was a little, even though it was a step down, I do think you should decorate it a little bit more. Yeah. So that's about it. Bye.